Welcome to Tech Pro Vids. Today we're gonna see how to get the data from an external API in Google Sheets. At the end of the video, we will be getting this output. Like I'm typing here a juice, okay, and I'm placing the cursor wherever I required. Say for example, I required the rhyming words for juice here B6. I'm placing here and then click the run button and we'll be getting a list of the words, the rhyming words for juice: loose, obtuse, use, produce, something like that. If you want the other word, we can see that teacher, okay, teacher, and I'm placing cursor here and then I'm clicking the run button. See, the rhyming word for the teacher is future, creature, preacher, yeah, something like this. So the API which I'm using is from the datamuse.com. This is the a website where it provides a free API call. Okay, I'm going to consume that. So words that rhymes with forgetful. So if you click this one, and we'll be getting words with forgetful, fretful, and regretful. So these are the rhyming words. And if you pass any of the parameters here, like teacher where we used, click enter, we will be getting the responses. So we're gonna consume this API data in Google Sheet. Okay, let's get into it and how to do it. Go to, okay, create a new Google Sheet name. I've created a Google Sheet name, something like whatever you want, get rhyming word, and whatever the format you require, rhyming word, something like this, and so you put this one C3 where we need to get the parameter, something I wanted to highlight that. Okay, something teacher. Okay, we want button in Google Sheet, so go to insert, go to drawing, select this one, shapes, whatever you require, just select this, edit text, run or get data, whatever you called it. Okay, and just save and close. We'll be getting this, and click on this one, click this one, assign a script. Okay, before that I'll tell you how to create a script. Go to tools, go to extensions, AppsScript, click. So we'll be creating like this the AppsScript. Okay, rename the AppsScript something like whatever you want, my script, and paste the function here. Fetch rhyme is the one, is the function name. Okay, click the save button, and this one C3 is the input where we are getting the input for the API call, right? So here, if here I have mentioned C3 to get the parameter, like here we are referring a parameter. We need to send the parameters to the API, right? So I have put the C3. If you want to put any other cell, you can put it, and you can give the name in script. Like if you want the output here, like C2, then you can do, go to here C2. Okay, just save it and then go to run button, click this three dots and assign a script, then type the function name fetch rhymes, right? Fetch rhymes. Click on OK button here. Okay, now you just go to place a cursor wherever it is and click on the run button. Okay, so the Google Sheet is asking to authorize the script you have put in the my script, right? So click on your account, click on advanced and go to my script and click allow. Okay, now you click on the run button and we'll be getting the output. Okay, like say for example I'm going to try one more time. Tools. Okay, I want the rhyming word for tools. Click on the cursor somewhere else here. If you want the data here, click this button. That will give us a rhyming word for tools. For tools is rules, jewels, ghouls, schools, fools, mules. Okay, so this is how we are fetching the external API from Google Sheet. URL fetch app.fetch is the module where we are using in Google AppsScript that will get the response from the URL we have provided. Okay, so it's very simple, isn't it? Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.